Hello everyone, today I am going to show you CTG800 coating thickness gauge. This is the box and this is the storage case you get along. This is the instruction manual, the main instrument, and you get 3 strips. One is the aluminium non-ferrous base, one is the ferrous base, and these are few testing strips. You will not usually get the batteries along your meter, but this sample unit includes the batteries. So first let's start. This machine uses 4 AAA batteries. At the back of the machine there is a battery compartment. Carefully align the batteries as per the symbols given inside the machine. After correct installation, close the battery compartment. Turn on the machine using this on and off button. Within a few moments the machine will be on and ready to use. Now this machine has a rubber grip which is very useful for taking readings in the field. We have 4 buttons. This is of course the on and off button. This is the mode button in which you can change between single reading mode, that is SNG, and continuous reading mode, that is CON. I'll come back to this a bit later. This button allows you to change between millimeters and microns. This is millimeters and this is microns. This button is for calibrating it to different standards and also calibrating it to 0. So now first let's take any of the standard bases. I'm taking the non-ferrous aluminium base first. As you can show, it's showing you a 0 reading. So it's working perfectly. Now let's take the strips. These are the strips. Each of the strip has been marked with its value. For example, this is 100 microns. Let's test it over the machine. It is showing a reading of 102. Now let's take this 15 microns and it is showing a perfect reading of 50.5. This is the 500 micron strip. Similarly, it is showing 497. So if you all these readings have been taken in single reading mode. Now let's take it to continuous measurement round. 495, 495. You don't have to wait for the click sound. It will continuously show you the readings across the surface. Now when you are in this continuous measuring mode, if you want to calibrate your machine, focus on this value 500 microns, take the reading and press the 0 button. It will automatically make the reading calibrated to that particular value. So similarly, if you do it on 1000 microns, it is showing 1007. Let's 0 it to 1000. So you have to be careful that your hand doesn't move like mine is doing right now, or the readings will vary. This is a 250 micron sheet and it's giving a reading of 248, which we can assume is in the correct range because these strips also have a tolerance of 1% or